Compare 46 hundredths and 5 tenths. Whenever you compare a fraction and a decimal, what you're going to want to do is write out your fraction as a decimal. So 46 hundredths written as a decimal is exactly the way it sounds. 46 hundredths. 5 tenths is going to be the same exact thing. Let's just write that down. Now, whenever you compare two decimals, you start with the leftmost place value, and if they're the same, work your way to the right. Since these zeros are the same, that's not going to help us, so we work our way to the right. Now you have a 4 compared to a 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So since 4 is smaller than 5, this blue number is smaller than this purple number. Now, before we circle anything and call it a day, we want to turn these numbers back into their original form. So I'm not going to leave 46 hundredths as a decimal. I'm going to write it out as 46 hundredths, the fraction. 46 hundredths, the fraction, is going to be less than 5 tenths.